Another example. Ayan, eto, madali-dali class kasi given lahat. Pag mahaba ang problem, madali-dali. Ayan. Stages of reheating. Reheating is executed with steam. And, wait lang class, sulat ko muna itong problem. So, this is a reheat cycle with two stages of reheating is executed with steam, expanding initially from 20 megapascal and 540 degrees Celsius. The two reheater, take note, dalawa na to. Two reheater. Yan, two reheater pressures are, so binigay sa atin yung mga pressure, kanina hindi, 3.8 megapascal and 0.97 MPa. So, the steam leaves, ayan, the steam leaves each reheater. So, meron din siyang binigay na condition wherein the reheater or the temperature leaving the reheater is at 540 degrees Celsius and the condensation occurs at 60 degrees Celsius. So, given inside natin is the Celsius. So, we make use of saturation temperature here. So, pinapahanap sa atin yung heat added, total heat added, the work of the turbine. And, fine na to B, turbine, and letter C, the cycle efficiency. Work net. Yan. Paano yung gagawin nyo? Yan. So, una class, solution nyo, hindi na ako magbibigay ng given. Mag-draw muna tayo. Okay? Dalawang stages. Nasaan yun? Ginawa na ko. Okay? So, two stages of the reheat. So, given sa atin lahat. Take note of that. Wala ka na. Steam table lang. Kailangan. Okay? So, ilang turbina ang mangyayari? In a two-stage reheater class, ganito yung mangyayari. Schematic natin. So, in problem, dapat may yan, two stages of reheat. Okay? Ito yung boiler natin. Ayan. Ayan. We have the boiler. From that, meron tayo the first turbine. Meron ka dyan yung shaft work mo at the first turbine. Entering the steam, leaving, we have now the first reheater. Ayan. Okay, first stage of that, nag-reheat ka na. Ayan. Pangalawang turbina, we have now the second turbine entering. So, it's now, sa reheater natin, 0.1, 0.2, 3. After that, leaving again, kasi dalawa daw class na reheater. So, this is now 4. Ayan, dalawa, two stage of reheating. Another turbine. Ayan. So, pangatlong turbina. Ayan. Fine. Leaving, we have now the condenser. Ayan, entering. This is now 0.6. And this, we have now the pump. Ayan, binibilisan ni ma'am. And the boiler. Yeah. This is now your pump and the condenser. And yun yung kakalimutan yan. Leaving end. Okay. Ano yung mag-given parameters? The reheat 2 stages with the steam expanding initially. So, pressure 1 is 20 megapascal. And the temperature at point 1 is 540. Ano yung condition? Reheat pressures are 3.8. So, from that, pressure 2 is equal to pressure 3, which is equal to 3.8. Am I right? 3.8 MPa. And the leaving, and also yung pang-4, tsaka pang-5, 0.97 MPa. Steam leaves at the reheater at 540. So, yung T3 natin, 540. And T5 natin is 540. Madaming tayong parameters. Condenser, condensation occurs at 60 degree. So, yun yung parameter natin. Okay? Ano naman yung TS diagram niya? Okay? So, that is the schematic. We move on to the TS diagram of that reheat cycle. Ayan. TS. Madami ba ditong saturated? Ayan. Una, given sa atin. Plot ko lang, madaming binigay sa atin. We have the first, the second, 3.8. Yan yung pressure at point 1, 20. Ano yung pangalawa? 3.8. So, dito na tayo. Ayan. .8 MPa. Yung pangatlo, 0.97. And class, we have 0.97 MPa, and last is yung 60. Okay? Mababa na yung pressure natin at 60. Okay? So, mamaya, tingnan natin yung properties niya. Pakita ko lang. Okay? So, at state 1, entering the turbine, this is the first parameter, 540 degrees Celsius. And, anong pupuntahan nyo? Anong table? Anong table, class? At point 1, table 3, Okay, direkta na tayo pas kasi it really falls under the superheated vapor. Ano nga ang page to? 2020. Malayo-layo pa ang steam table ko. So, 20 page. Yeah. Page 88. Yan. So, ano yung properties natin na kailangan? At 540, we have the H1. Ano yung H1 natin? We have 3363 point. Excuse me. Hala, naglulobat na ako. Bibilisan natin. Kilojoule per kilogram. We have the entropy at 0.1. 6.2982 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. From process 0.1.2. Okay, at state 2, we know that S1 is equal to S2. Ayan. Ano yung properties? At point 2, we have 3.8 megapascal. So, tingnan nyo pa sa 3.8 megapascal. Able to 3.8. Ayan. Page 12. Ayan. 3.8. So, the the enthalpy here is at SG is 3.6. We make use of this 6.11 ay 3.8 pala. 6.00915. So, this is lesser than. So, mas malaki class yung S2 natin kaysa sa SG. So, pupunta tayo dun sa superheated vapor. It falls under superheated vapor. Punta tayo sa table 3. Okay. Hanapin niyo sa table 3 at 3.8. Ano yung kukunin natin? 3.8. 3.8. Where are you? Ayan. So, table 3, page 58. Hahanapin natin yung S natin at 0.9. 6.2982. 2982. So, we need to interpolate. Okay. So, ang basehan natin is the 3.8 MPa. Punta ka dun sa H and the S. Ang given sa atin na S2. Ayan. Hahanapin mo yan. 2982. We have 6.2925 and the 6.3191. Interpolate nyo na class ito. We have also the 29, 10.11, and 29, 24.9. Okay, paki-interpolate na class in finding their H2 para makuha na natin yung property at point 2. Yan. Yan yung gagamitin natin ha. Kasi superheated na yung vapor natin. So, it falls outside the line. Outside the mixture. What is now your answer? 2925. Ano po was yung answer niyo? Wala pa. Sige. Si ano po. Minus 29. May sagot ka. What is now your enthalpy? Ano nakuha nyo, class? Okay, we have now same with me 2913.27. Ayan. We have now properties at point 2. Ayan, balikan natin sa scheme table. Ay sa So, dito yan, class. From point 1. Ayan, bakit? Ayan. So, this is now your point 1. From point 1. Given pressure, yung temperature natin is 0.1. So, sa labas siya, class. Given that the entropy, ayan. So, sa labas yung 0.2 natin. Take note of that. Yung reheater natin, ayan, equal daw sa 540. From 0.2 to 0.3, ayan. Ano yung gagawin natin? So, from state, we have now state 3. So, alam natin sa figure, from 2 to 3, that is a constant pressure. 3.8 MPa. Ano yung temperature natin? Leaving the reheater is just equal to 540. So, andun yan sa problem. So, dito ulit tayo sa table 3. But, we're looking at the 540. So, what is now the property at H3? 540. Andito siya sa baba, kas. H3, 3,538.8. Ayan, naga 38.8. Ayan. Ano naman, class, yung entropy natin at 0.3? 0.3. Entropy. We have now 7.2311. Ayan. Kelvin. So, we have now that. That's T3. Kasi given sa atin yung temperature leaving the reheater. Now, we move on to the 3 to 4. Stages 3 to 4. Ano yung gagawin natin? Okay. Yung 3 to 4 natin, class. So, this is also a constant isentropic or the isentropic process. In state 4, we all know that that is also an isentropic expansion. Okay? Ano yung kukunin mo doon? Since that is an isentropic and the pressure at 0.4 given sa problem? Yes? Bakit pressure 3 nilagay ko dito? Oh, mali ako dito, class. This is pressure 4. Ayan. So, 4 to 5. Ayan. Pressure 4 is 0.97 MPa. 0.97 MPa. Okay. Ano yung kukunin natin? Anong table kayo pupunta? Table 2. Page 0.97. 0.97. So, page 11. So, makikita natin that yung pressure natin at that, the entropy is, the SG is sa 0.97 class, that is 6.5969. Mas malaki class yung S4 natin kaysa sa SG. Pupunta ulit tayo sa superheated. Then it falls under the category of superheated vapor, wherein we will find it at table 3. Okay, balik ulit tayo sa table 3 but with the pressure of 0.97. Pupunta tayo doon, 0.97. Anong page? 0.97. 40. Double interpolate ko ba tayo? Yeah, double interpolation. This is wonderful. 0.97. Okay. We will make use of the, since double interpolation class, dito muna tayo 0.96 na MPa. Hahanapin natin si S4, which is 7.2311. As well as si 0.98, hahanapin natin si S4 na. Okay? Let's do this. Hanapin nyo, 7.231123. Make use of this, 7 yung S natin, 2162 and 2517. Yung gagawin mo, make use of the H. We have 3094.8, 311.1. Sa kabila 0.98. Nasaan? We have 7.2061 the S. And yung H natin. Okay, interpolate na class sa 0.96. 7.2417. 0.4, we have 3.6. Okay, what is now, after that class, saka pa lang tayo re-interpolate ng 96, 97, and the 98. So this is now the pressure at 0.4 MPa. And hahanapin natin yung H4 natin. So, sige, interpolate. At the H at 0.96. What is your answer? 2162. Wala pang sagot. Yung iba, ano pa? Wait class, charge ko lang. Charge natin habang ginagamit ko. Yung iba, walang sagot. So we make use now of the okay. The H now is 0. Ayan. We have now 3103. Tama ba yung mga sagot nyo? Tingnan ko. Okay. So, dito naman class, the H at 0.98. We interpolate. Ano yung sagot ng iba? This is now 109.29. Okay, that is correct. Now, we will now interpolate the H4 using these values. Pero, ang pressure na natin is 0.97. I mean, gagamitin na natin mag-interpolate is the 0.97. Ayan, 3103. What is now your H4? Okay, so this is now 3106.52 kilojoule per kilogram. So we have now interpolated the value of that H4. So it falls under the superheated vapor. Ayan. Balikan natin. So superheated pa rin siya. From 0.3. Ayan. So dito siya. We have now 4. After that, that is again a constant pressure at 0.5. Excuse me. Okay. So, yun na yun, class, ha. Yung gagamitin natin in pressure force. So, mamaya na ito. Ay, ulit, class. Ulit ko lang ito. Okay. So, balik na tayo doon. Knowing that, again, ano yung state natin we have just find the enthalpy at 0.4, then state 5. The pressure 4 is equal to pressure 5, 9 MPa, but given sa atin yung ano po yun, class? We have now the temperature leaving the reheater. Ayan o. Temperature leaving the heater, which is 540. So, wala pa rin. Superheated to, class. We will double interpolate. Interpolate again yung makukuha nating value at this. Yung temperature, using temperature na 540 degree. So, kukunin natin yung H tsaka S at this point. Okay, yung H natin. Sa 0.96, yung at 540, dito sa baba, we have 3566, and the entropy is 7.8912 Kelvin. And sa 0.96 natin, we have also 540. Ayan. We have 35 65.8 and 7.88 1. Okay. Interpolate. We will hanapin natin yung H5 natin and the S5. Okay. Ano yung solution natin? Sabi ma'am na interpolation ini. Opo, class. Dako naman talaga. Ayan. What is now the answer? Ayan, may nakakompute na. Galing. Yung iba, madam, malaba una. Di pa kita class. Stage 5 pa lang kita. Reheat pa lang kita. We have now 3565.9. Yung H5 natin. Yung S5 natin. What is now our entropy at that given point? Okay. We have 7.8864 Kelvin. So, yan. Nakuha na natin yung enthalpy at that point. Okay. Mahaba-haba pa to class. We move on to stage 6. Okay. Alam natin from the reheater, pa-condenser na to, yung entropy natin is constant. Yan, doon. Balik tayo doon para makita nyo. 5 to 6. So, dito na yan class ha. Entropy natin, but pangatlong turbine to class ha. Papunta tayo dito sa the third. 4. Ayan. Have now point, stage 5 and point 6. Ano yung kukunin natin class? Ano yung given sa point 6? We have the pressure, not the pressure, but the given sa atin is the temperature at point 6, which is 60 degrees Celsius. Maybe magiging basya natin in finding this point. Okay. So, pupunta tayo class doon sa table 1. Kasi 60 degree yung binigay sa atin. Table 1. Page 2. So, 60, we have 60. Excuse me. So, this is 7.9. So, it falls under now the saturated. Yung SG natin is 7.9. 1996. So, mas malaki na siya kaysa sa S6 natin siya. So, fall siya sa wet mixture natin. Okay, anong kukunin natin? Again, the quality at 0.6. Solving for that, we have the S6. And that point and yan. Binibilisan lang ni ma'am. What is SF? The saturated liquid. Given sa atin yung entropy, 0.8312 divided by the entropy, the latent heat of evaporation of the given entropy. Okay, so the quality at 0.6 now is equal to kalimutan na ni ma'am yung units, but pag kayo magsosolve, dapat may units yan ha. 0.7. What is now the quality? So that is 99. 0.9967 So, malapit pa din siya sa dito class ha. Yung X natin, dito siya nagpo-form. So, pag i-draw na natin siya, ayan. From that point, so this is now your point 6. Ginamit natin is S5 equal to S6. And anong andito class? Ayusin ko lang. Ayusin ko lang yung kurba natin para hindi masyado. Okay. Ayan, red. Yeah. So, this is now our 0.6 at the given 4, 6. This is 0.7. After that, balik na sa boiler. Mali. Mataas to class. Kasi dito tayo ayan. So, this is now your 0.8. So, ang given sa atin is 60 degrees Celsius. Okay? So, we have now state 6. Ano yung isa-solve natin? The H6. Okay? Quality at that point. So, we have now the H6, the HF, the enthalpy. We have 251.13 plus 0.9967. 2358 point. Ay, wow, naka-compute na. So, H6 now is equal to yung iba, tulog na. Mahaba ng solution. Plus, read pa lang tayo. Wala pa tayo sa regenerative. So, this is now 2601.5 kilojoule per kilogram. Since given na sa atin to, we make compute now the work of the pump. We have now the state 6 and sa 7. Yung H7 natin class is the HF at 6. So this is 251.13. Am I right? Yan. Tapos yung work ng pump natin, this is V6. I mean, V7 times the pressure at 0.8 minus the pressure at 0.7. Finding for the work of the pump, yung specific volume natin at 7. This is the specific volume saturated liquid at 0.6, which is equal to ilan to class? 1.07. During si ma'am. We have now 1.0172. Yan. Cubic meter per kilogram. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. What is the pressure 8? Ano yung pinakaunang pressure natin? So, pressure 8 equal siya sa pressure 1, which is 20. Given yan sa problem class. 20 MPa minus pressure 7. What is the saturated? So, ang given sa atin class is in MPa, so Yung sa table natin is yung PSAT natin is 0. Ano yun class? 0.0. So, kopyahin natin to lahat class kasi yun yung nakalagay. Okay? So, ito yung magma-minus 0.1. Ay, 0 pa pala. 0, 19, 199, 40, and 50. So, we compute for the work of the pump. What is now the answer? No? Gising pa kayo, class. Haba ng solution natin. Sa pagdalawang stage. Okay? What is now the work of the pump? We have 20. 20.32 kilojoule per kilogram. Okay. So, ano na yung solve natin? Last but not the least, we make use of finding the H8, the H7. Tapos, yung work ng pump. Ayan. Work ng pump natin, 20.32. So, finding the H8, we have now ilan? 20.32. We have 200, ayan. 271.85. 85 ba? Bakit 85 sa akin? 13 pala to. Sorry. 13. So, the correct answer is 45. Ayan. We have now, yan, kilojoule per kilograms. Okay, nakuha na natin lahat. Napakahaba ng kinuha natin. Okay, ano yung pinapahanap? Balik. The reheat. The heat added. Ayan. Sa heat added natin, ilang reheated? We have so ito yung boiler natin. 2 stages. We have the heat added sa boiler. Ilan yung reheater natin? 2. So, automatically, may heat added ka sa reheater 1, may heat added ka sa reheater 2. So, the total heat added now is equal to the heat added by the boiler plus the heat added by the reheater. Yung isa plus heat added ng reheater natin at sa pangalawa. Okay. So, what is now the heat added? Sa boiler, we have 8 and 1, diba? So, we have H1 minus H8. Sa reheater at point 2, ano yung entry? Balikan nyo na lang to sa schematic class. The 2 and the 3. So, we have H3 minus H2. At sa pangalawang reheater, sa schematic diagram, we have 4 and 5. So, H5 minus H4. So, the total heat added, yan, simulan natin, H1. Kaya class, mas maganda kung may summary na kayo nito. H1, 3363.5. 33. Ayan. Ang H8 natin, 271.5. 45. Ano yung H3 natin? Ayan. 35838 point. 0.8 or 0.5 class? Naduling na akong class. Tama, 0.8 H2. Ito yung gagamitin natin. 2913. 0.27. Yan. Class H5. Yan. Pag mali ka klase sa isang property, mali na yung answer mo. 3565.9. 3565.9 minus H4. Haba-haba itong H4. 106.52. 106.52. So, what is now the total heat added? Ayan, may nakasolve na. Dali-dali yan naman class. Ayan. Yung iba, hindi nakakahabol. Mabilis si ma'am. You can review our video. Okay, upload ko ito. 38.8 minus 2. Ayan. Yung iba, anong sagot? Okay, nagtali naman sa akin. So, we have 4176.96 kilojoule per kilogram. So, that is now the heat added. Okay. The next one we need to compute is the work net. But sa work net class, kailangan natin yung total ng turbina minus work ng pump. Alam na natin yung work ng pump, sa turbina tayo. Okay, work ng turbine. So, ilan yung nakturbina class? Balikan mo sa schematic. Kaya importante ang schematic. Tatlo yan, no? Tatlo. Okay? Sa turbina. Yan, tatlo yun. Ayan. First, turbine. Second, work of the shaft. Ayan. Nagpapamove niyan is the 1, turbine 2, turbine 3. Entering 1, 2, balik siya at 3, labas siya at 4, balik siya at 5, and lalabas at 6. Okay? So turbine 1, we have H1 minus H2. Sa turbinang pangalawa, we have entering H3 minus H4, entering H5 minus H6. So, computing for the work of the turbine, ito na, hindi na tayo tataas masyado. Ayan. H2. H3 natin. Ayan. H5. What is H5? 3565.9. H6. Ay, wala. Ito hanapin natin. 2601.81. 26085. Okay, paki-compute what is now the work of the turbine, the total work. Tatlo yun na turbina class. Yung iba, 2913. Walang sagot, ma'am. Hindi ko na nahabol. Okay lang, class. Mahaba-haba talaga to. Hindi mo to makukuha ng isahan. Okay? 19. Bakit sa akin iba? Ano yung answer niyo, class? 1846. Wait. Baka ako ang naduling. Yung iba, ma'am, gutom na ako. Parehas tayo, class. Pero, kailangan nyo pa rin. Kasi reheat pa lang tayo. Hindi pa tayo nakakamot sa reheat regenerative. Bakit? Ayan. Nakuha ko na. 1846.56 kilojoule per kilogram. So, finding now the total work, the work net. Ayan. Total ng turbina. Minus yung work ng pump. We have this. Work ng pump, 20 point something yun. 32. 20.32. We have now the work net. What is now the answer? 20.32. We have 1826.24 kilojoule per kilogram. Yan. Meron tayong heat added. So, finding for the cycle efficiency. Ilan yung pinapahanap dito, class? QA work net and the thermal efficiency. For the thermal efficiency, we have now the work net for the heat added. What is now the efficiency of these two stages for 1.96. So we have now the thermal efficiency at mataas ba, class? 24. And we have now 43.72%. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, class. So that is now the efficiency. This is now the thermal efficiency of a So that is now the thermal efficiency of a two stages reheat. Okay, this is the schematic of the two stages reheating. Ayan, mahaba-haba yun. So that is an example of that cycle. Mahirap ako pag hindi na-analyze yung problem, mali-mali ka na. Kadalasan, class, given sa problem yung pressure on each reheaters and the living temperature. at that given problem. Okay? Yan. So, may question pa ba, class? Siyempre, meron. Pwede niyo na lang i-PM si ma'am. Okay? May question kayo na hindi nyo naintindihan. Okay? So, this is now the sample problems in the Reheat. I will upload it later. Okay. So, this is the simple, the first stage. And this is the second stage. 2 stages. Pag 2 stages ang turbine natin, we have 3 turbines. Working turbines. Okay? Okay, I will stop my screen.